good morning, Matthew here. I am off to Morgan Estates. Morgan Heritage Estates, that is, near Airey Castle, and a little spot called Nickel Hill, and that's where they built a new little mini ramp. I checked it out in a vlog the other day, and it's going to be my first time trying to give it a skate. Now, it might be unwise trying to do this in the middle of the afternoon, but I happen to be passing by that way, and I got my board in the car, so I really want to give it a shot. So we're going to roll out of town here, Sunny Hill, and make our way, probably just a 15-minute ride over down to Airey Castle. All right, very chill afternoon, pretty quiet over here. Hey, go. Watch the potholes is the name of the game. Tight road. Oh, the aircon feels good. And it's been pretty good weather this last week anyway. We had a whole ton of rain a couple weeks ago, but it's really kind of calmed down. And as a result, now that it's been dry for a week, the mosquitoes are starting to calm down too. I don't know, I've been here before and there was barely any mosquito issues at all. But certain trips or times a year when I come here, they can be pretty fierce depending on the spot. But luckily MOKKO's yard, it's always pretty chill on the yard itself. You know, when you go down to the river, that kind of thing, it can get buggy, but that's true pretty much anywhere, especially in Canada. I mean, Canada gets ridiculous mosquitoes, especially up north, so. Here we are, Nickel Hill. The road is so gnarly. I really gotta take it easy going up here. This little car. Okay, it's the hardest part done, I think. There we are, Morgan Heritage Estate. Stogo. And?
Pepe.
Stogo and Pepe. So you guys helped build this ramp here?
Yeah.
Yeah, when was it built?
Long now, Pepe. A couple of months. Yeah.
So it's a pretty recent thing, yeah?
Yeah,
Recently.
Yeah, and we're on Morgan Heritage Estates, yeah. Grammy award-winning reggae artist. Yeah, so that's the place over there, yeah? Wow. Cool. Are you guys musicians too?
No, we are the caretaker.
Ah, okay. Right on. And yeah, how long did it take to put up? Like, it's a really nice ramp for concrete, right?
About a month, eh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And it got put up by Joey Tershay from California.
Yeah, and Virgin named Josh.
Josh, okay, Josh.
Yes. Yeah, with I.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've heard of Josh before, and then Eli Reed, the pro skater, came to help out.
Eli.
Yeah, big up Eli.
Yeah, man.
Wicked. All right, well, I'm gonna take a little skate. I definitely won't skate as good as Eli, but we'll give it a shot.
Edwin, watch out!
I'm gonna try this ramp here. Watch out. It's warming up here. It's pretty hot. Pretty tight transitions, really quick, but a very nice ramp. Yeah, it's really nice. This part is super steep, but fun. Morgan Heritage crew. Maybe we should move that knife. I don't want to fall on a knife. Do you? Oh man. We got local rippers here. I don't think we can skate 2 in 1. The board's too small. Yeah. Oh. Careful. Whoa, that's it. That's the grind. I'm getting dizzy. Ew. Got a nice ackee tree above. I like the seat up there for chilling out. It's good. Yeah, I had to look the other day. Yeah. All right, watch out, guys. I'm trying again.
Watch out there, watch out.
Careful. Almost got it. Good.
Huh?
It's a good thing. I'm glad they built this here for the kids. It's awesome. Right here, Junior. He's going barefoot like surfer style. Yeah, man. Nice. Barefoot's a whole different world. Yeah. Let's get that backside grind. Hey, that's scary when people are screaming. Whoa. All right. That might be it for me today. It's a little hot. The transition's pretty tight, but a very nice ramp. Go for it. My trucks might be tight for you because I'm a pretty heavy guy. Nice. Whoa. That's not easy in sandals. Not at all. Or barefoot. This tree fort is awesome. I'm afraid I'm a bit big for it. Yeah, you hit it. Yeah. Whoa! Good save. That was it. You grinded that one. I'm gonna try the tall part. Whoa! Nice one. Woo! Style. Yeah. Okay, sweat level is 11. Definitely a really fun ramp. It's pretty tight and pretty quick, but it means you can do Smith grinds really good on it if you could do them, not me. But definitely a worthwhile check out if you're heading anywhere from Kingston to Portland. Beautiful spot in the mountains, and hopefully I can come here next time when Morgan Heritage Band is around. It's amazing. We're right on their property here. It's called Heritage Estates. So big up to everyone involved who built this place. It's amazing, and yeah, keep doing things for the youth. It's so important these days. So bless up. If you like this mini vlog, please comment below, and we'll see you real soon.